30 miles per hour. Let's head back down to that specific area where the tornado warning is with Lisa Meadows, our meteorologist, who is on the scene with an update on what's happening there. Lisa?
Hi, yes, we are in Lakeville. So this is I-35 and the tornado warning is crossing 35. So this is heading north, and then off to the south is where the tornado warning is. We have some heavy rain, and we've also heard the sirens going off. Within the last 5 or 10 minutes, the tornado sirens have been going off. People have been getting out of their cars, going to Gander Mountain here to take shelter, also with some of their pets as well. Traffic still going along I-35, and we're seeing some of the heavy rain and not good visibility. So if there is circulation on the ground, if there is a tornado, it's not necessarily very easy to see. That being said, we are just to the north of this. So if this tornado warm storm does produce a tornado, it should be crossing just off to the south here. Definitely noticing the heavy rain. We had some pea to dime size hail that did fall before that tornado warning did pop up. We had some stronger winds with that also. Not necessarily dealing with that just now. So we're going to continue to watch and keep a close eye to see if we do get anything to continue to move along I-35. Again, the biggest thing that we've seen so far would be those stronger winds and also pea to dime size hail that we did see here. Again, we did have the tornado warnings. It looks like the tornado sirens, excuse me. It looks like those have actually died down. So that is definitely some good news. We're not necessarily seeing anything on the ground, but when it comes to that tornado warned storm, again, the visibility is not great. So it's one of those situations that we're going to stay here. Again, we are close to the building at Gander Mountain, so in case we need to go inside, then we definitely will. But we'll keep on this storm until that tornado warning does get dropped off. No doubt that the severe thunderstorm aspect of the storm definitely holding up since we've been seeing the strong winds and also some of that hail with that. We'll go ahead and take a look a little bit further along I-35. We do have some people that have pulled off, it looks like to the shoulder, or kind of pulled off at the exit here to go ahead and get away from some of this just because of the stronger winds. And really, we were trying to drive off a little bit off the exit toward the building, but the rain was just so heavy that we couldn't necessarily see anything. So that's why we kind of pulled off to the side. We'll go ahead and keep a close eye on this specific situation and see what happens. More updates coming up in a bit.
Very good, Lisa.
Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you. And yeah, you can see just the pounding rain that's affecting that area dramatically right now.
Well, we have crews everywhere, and I know that Jennifer Merrily, probably about 45 minutes ago, she was down in Lino Lakes, and at that time, you could see that the